Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about every new video.
Today we will learn about parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Words, groups, parts of speech. Parts of speech are the different types of words we use to make sentence. Every word in English belongs to a group. Today we will learn 8 groups. First one, noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Example, boy, school, dog, apple. Example of sentence, this is a dog. Second one, pronoun. A pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun. Example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example of sentence, Ria is my best friend, she is kind. Third one, verb. A verb is an action word. It tells us what someone is doing. Example, run, eat, read, sleep. Example of sentence, I run fast. Fourth one, adjective. An adjective describes a noun. Example, big, small, red, happy. Example of sentence, it is a big elephant. Fifth one, adverb. An adverb describes a verb. It tells us how something happens. Example, fast, slowly, happily. Example of sentence, she is run fast. Sixth one, preposition. And preposition shows position. Example, in, on, under. Example of sentence, the ball is under the table. Seventh one, conjunction. And conjunction joins words or sentence. Example, and, but, because. And, I like apples and bananas. I want to play outside but it's raining. He is sad because he has homework. Eighth one, interjection. An interjection shows strong feelings. Example, wow, ho, hurry, oops. Example of sentence, wow, that is amazing. Let's repeat together. Noun, name. Pronoun, replace a noun. Verb, action. Adjective, describes a noun. Adverb, describe a verb. Preposition, position. Conjunction, joins. Interjection, feelings. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.